Hello everyone, good morning. Today is March 26 na po. Malapit na po yung April. To my fellow OFWs around the world, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat yung nasa Pilipinas. Good afternoon. So already 12 o'clock in the uh, noon. 12 na po dyan sa may Pilipinas. So magandang araw po sa ating lahat. So as usual, we will check the PCI today. It started 9:30 in the morning, the trading. So we need to say today what is the uh, closing level of the PCI. So we know yesterday's PCI is going up. Now we will check, today is Friday. So sana umangat si PCI ngayon, mag-close ng green. But before we proceed, this is only a disclaimer that this discussion, there is no recommendation to buy, to sell, or to hold your position. It is only the purpose of this discussion is only for educational purposes, to study the support and resistance. So we'll go to the chart, PCI chart. Tingnan natin kung ano yung price movement ni PCI as of 12 noon in the afternoon. So ito po yung chart ni PCI ngayon. There are 3 days na nag-bounce si PCI on this inclined support. Now, umangat po siya hanggang yesterday, March 25. So today there's a pullback of the PCI. But if you see the current movement of PCI is still in a downtrend because it is below all the moving averages, exponential moving averages. So if he will close today red, we'll expect there is a pullback, minor pullback of PCI. But if you see the overall trend, this area here is the resistance area, and this area also. So if ever it will go sideways, possibly will reach this top line of this channel. So we need to see if there's a breakout of this channel. So dito na rin yung mga exponential moving averages, pupunta din yan diyan sa mga area nila. So dapat sana ma-break ni PCI, yung moving averages, exponential moving averages. So we'll see until 1 o'clock what is the closing price of the PCI. Sana mag-close yan ng green. But if it is red, we'll expect another minor pullback of the PCI. So we'll monitor until 1 o'clock. So the most active today is Ali. Si Ali po yung most active, but he is down by 0.14%. followed by dito, BEC, and Metrobank. The top gainers is OPMB and ATNB, 12% up, and OPMB is 18.18%. And the top losers is INI, and followed by MACAY. Also, BC here is down by 4.89%. So it's clear here in the PCI that we will close red today because it did not open yesterday. The high of PCI is 6,603.55, and today nag-open po yung PCI at 6,567. We'll try to see this one of the most active. This is the Ayala Land. Si Ayala Land, one of the stock listed in the PCI. Ayala Land is in a downtrend because it is below all the exponential moving averages. We need to see Ayala to going back above all the exponential moving averages, or it will going sideways and create a pattern. But for as of today, there is no pattern created for Ayala Land. So yesterday there is a rejection. He's trying to hit this EMA 20, but this. So we'll see next price movement of Ayala Land. The next one is dito, is the most active. Dito is the most active as of 12:09 in the afternoon. If we see here Ayala Land, if we drew a incline resistance, so we need Ayala Land to climb back above on that line. This incline resistance. So we need to see another next movement of Ayala Land. Next one is dito. Shout out to DG Mars Cupid. Thank you, Idol, for your support. Thank you very much. Now this is the live trading and the Philippine stock market. This is the live chart as of 12:11 in the afternoon. If you see dito, CB Holdings, this area here is the resistance area of dito. So now we did not break this incline resistance. So if dito will close red today, we'll expect another downward movement of dito, possible on this horizontal support here or this area here near the AME 200, this green line. So we need to watch dito if we will break this incline resistance. And if we will break it, we can draw a incline support And we need to see this horizontal resistance, this line, na ma-break ni dito. If ever, I will break this incline resistance. But if not, possible we will go back again, going to this support line below. So, tingnan natin yung next movement di dito. Sana ma-break ni dito yung incline resistance. Thank you, Idol DJ Mars Cupid, and shout out also to Engineer Edwin Bilan and to Engineer Edwin Vergara, to Engineer Ryan Lasaka and Engineer Victor Miguel Pinat. Thank you for your support, and to Engineer Eric Umontan. Thank you for your support. We will take another one, most active BSC. Si BSC po ay umakyat kahapon, and we will see where is the current price of BSC. So this is the one we discussed, that this horizontal resistance ay dapat ma-break ni BSC. But for now, we will wait if there's a breakout. We will see the indicator. MACD is still below the zero line, and still did not close in the red line. Shout out to Idol Dotix. Thank you very much for your support. Idol DG Mars Cupid, you can trade in the stock market, and pag kailangan ka ng broker, doon ka mag ng account sa broker. Then pag may account ka na, then you need to fund, you need to put a capital, and then you can start buying shares and trading in the stock market. There are a lot of companies, marami pong company dito sa PEC, Philippine Stock Market. Pwede ka na makapag-start kung may account ka na sa broker. So you need to apply account. So if ever BSC ay mag-red today, we'll expect another pullback in this incline support. And we will see if this incline support ay hindi ma-break down ni BSC. But if ever this incline support ay ma-break, then of course we need to see another retracement going back to AMA 200. If there's a bounce in the AMA 200. And in the stock market, we need to study this technical analysis. Ito po yung chart. Ito po yung technical analysis. There are two types of analysis in the stock market. There is the technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Yung technical analysis, ito po yung ginagawa natin na araw-araw. We need to see the movement of the price movement. So where it is in the support or in the resistance. Kung nasa resistance po yung price, we need to avoid buying, especially if there is a rejection, because there's a possibility that the price will go back to the support area. But if it is in the support, so this is the area we need to see if there is a bounce. Because hindi lahat din na support ay mag-hold. So there's a possibility that this support, for example, this support ay ma-break down ni BSC if ever he will going back on this area and create the bearish pattern. So ito po yung current position ni BSC nandito sa may resistant area. So hindi po niya ma-break itong line na ito. This is the there is a pressure of ceiling on this area. So this is the way we need to see in the stock market technical analysis. We'll see another one. This Metro Bank. Tingnan natin yung Metro Bank kung ano na yung price movement ni Metro Bank. Si Metro Bank ay nandito pa naman sa may above on this horizontal incline support. But kung tingnan natin yung price movement ni Metro Bank, there is a loss momentum of Metro Bank. Kasi nang umakyat siya dito sa may area na ito, hindi na siya bumalik sa may taas. No? So may pagka-loss momentum na po si Metro Bank. And there is a possibility that this inclined support ay ma-break ni Metro Bank. So but if you buy here in this bottom line here, just check this inclined support na hindi ma-break ni Metro Bank. Kasi kung ma-break yan, of course, possible we will go down on this horizontal support line, this line below it. So, tingnan natin yung next movement ni Metro Bank. Shout out to Idol Lutix and Idol DG Mars Cupid. Thank you for your support. MBT. We will see another here top losers. Ito po yung top losers as of 12:19 in the afternoon. So, yung trading ay mag-close po 1 o'clock. So, we'll see until 1 o'clock. So, we'll see one of this one, BC, Benguet Corporation. So, this is the chart of Benguet Corporation. Pesos per share. Kung nakabili po yung tayo dito sa area na ito, then it will go up. Then of course, on this area, up to this area here, 133%. So if you buy it here, so you have a gain of 133% in this area. So this is the why we need to see the chart. So if we draw the inclined support, we can draw here up to this area. Connect this one here, and there's a breakout, and then this one another support for BC, and now this is the resistance we need to watch for Benguet Corporation. So dapat babalik si Benguet Corporation above on this inclined resistance. So this is the line we need to watch na ma-break ni BC, and then it will create a pattern, sideways movement. He will break this incline resistance. But for now, for me, iwas muna ako kay BC unless he will break this incline resistance. So wala po yung ano ni BC, no? Ano na lang po, Idol DG Mars, Cupid, no? Ah, dalawa lang po yung bantayan natin dito, yung buyers and seller. Dalawa lang po yung nandito sa stock market, yung buyer at saka yung seller. So we need to see if who is the aggressive. If the buyers is an aggressive, then this is the time we need to see. If the seller is an aggressive, iwas-iwas muna tayo kasi yung agresibo yung seller. For example, in this chart of BSC, when there's a bounce here on this area, the buyers is in aggressive. So it was the price going up, and then when the price hitting the resistance area, the seller is here, and then they keep selling their position, and they take their profit. And then this incline support na na-break ni BC because the seller is no longer, the buyer is no longer aggressive. Hindi na aggressive yung buyer. Siguro nakabili sila dito sa may pinaka-bottom, and then they sell it here on this area when the trend line ay na-break ni BC. So now, the sellers keep pushing the price going down. So we need to wait another movement if there is a bullish pattern created. It means bullish pattern, this is the pattern na agresibo po yung buyer. So ngayon wala pa tayong makita na aggressiveness of the buyer because when the price hitting on this area, the seller push it down again, the price going down. So this is called as a resistant area. So if ever BC will climb back on this line, we need to see if there is a rejection. Of course, because this is the area of the seller. If ever ma-break po yung incline resistance, then the buyer is in aggressive mode. So we need to see if we create a pattern here. This is the time we need to watch for BC. Shout out to my wife. Thank you. Kumusta po dyan? Good afternoon sa inyo dyan. So dalawa lang yung ano dito sa stock market, the buyer and the seller. We'll try another one. We'll see this MACAY. He is the top losers as of 12:25 in the afternoon. So we see here the chart of MACAY. Downtrend pa rin yung movement ni MACAY. That means still the seller is dominating the price to push it down. So this is not the time we need to participate for MACAY kasi downtrend yung movement ni MACAY. If you see the support here, you can draw a support. So dito nag-bounce yung price kasi yung buyers, agresibo yung buyers, i-push it up. So when pumita na sila, then you sell on this area. So when the line and the break, then the price is going down now. So when we can draw incline resistance. This is the line we need to see for MACAY. Kung lalabas siya dyan, pero mas maganda kung babalik siya sa may above all the exponential moving averages. This blue line, red line, orange line, and green line. Mas maganda kung babalik siya dyan. So still downtrend pa rin yung ano ni MACAY. Yes po, Idol GG Mars. So iwas muna tayo kay MACAY. For me, but it's depend on your strategy. But for me, I will not enter MACAY now because it's in the downtrend. There is one request here is ECC. This is Semirara. Jollibee is down. Now, Semirara, if we check the, we can draw incline support. This is the incline support of Semirara. Now, we can draw an incline resistance. This is the incline resistance of Semirara. So Semirara break the incline resistance. Na-break po. Ito po yung sinasabi ko na kung ma-break yung incline resistance, ibig sabihin aggressive yung buyer. Even it is in the high price because nandito sa may resistance area, natalo po yung seller. So nag-dominate yung buyer. So yung presyo, pinupost po yung price going up. And now, is going back above all the exponential moving averages. So, for me, I need to wait if there's a pullback for SCC, and it will create a pattern. So, ngayon wala pa pong pattern si Semirara. But if you buy here in the bottom, now he is in green. Today as of 12:29 in the afternoon, green po yung candle ni ECC. So we need to wait another fallback. May red na po na makita. Now it's red, but we will see until 1 o'clock. But so ito po nag-red po yung candle ni ECC. But we need to see until 1 o'clock kung red ba yung closing price ni Semirara. So if red yung price ni Semirara, mag-close siya sa may red candle, we'll expect that Semirara will going back retracement. And we will watch if there is a bounce on this support. So we can see here the MA 200. So kung pull back yung price ni Semirara. So we'll see in this area here. Kung babalik yung price ni ECC on this horizontal support. But kung mag-close siya sa green ngayon, then we will see the next resistance line above here. There is a horizontal resistance on this area here. Lakyan po natin yung chart. We can push it a little bit down. So if ever mag-close si Semirara, green candle, possible he will hit this line here, this horizontal resistance. But take note now the price is near the horizontal resistance. So this is not the time we need to be aggressive for Semirara kasi malapit na po sa may resistance area. Baka mag-pull back yung price. We need to wait if there's a pullback of Semirara. Tanghalian na po din sa may Pilipinas, sa Idol Mars. Diyan ka ba sa Pilipinas ngayon? Dito sa Saudi, it's 7:31 in the morning. Madali lang to, Idol Mars. We need to study always. Makukuha din itong mga pattern. May mga chart pattern naman na titingnan kung it is bullish or bearish. If bullish, that means the buyers is in aggressive, and bearish, the sellers is in aggressive. So you see Simirara now as green. So we'll see if we will close green today. We'll see another one. Just check Simirara kung mag-green or red. If we will close green, possible we will go back and retrace, going back to the EMA 200 or this horizontal support. We'll see another one, Jollibee. Ano na po nangyayari ni Jollibee? Okay, I'll Mars. So Jollibee now, tingnan natin yung price movement ni Jollibee. Bumalik po siya sa may below all the exponential moving averages. Now, nag-read po yung candle niya as of 12:33. So we need to wait another price movement of Jollibee if we will climb back on this incline resistance or in the EMA, all exponential moving averages. So if we will close red today, Jollibee will going back to the downtrend movement. So we can adjust this incline resistance. We will adjust it down. On this area. So this is the incline resistance of JFC that we need to watch na ma-break ni JFC. But for now, hintay-hintay muna tayo ng another movement ni JFC. Kasi nag-read po yung candle ni JFC as of 12:35 in the afternoon. Idol Dotex Flores, yung white ko po, yung lula niya, ay Flores po. From Inabanga, Bohol. Yan si Idol Dotex, taga Cebu po yan si Idol Dotex. So this is the chart of JFC. We need to see another movement of JFC na ma-break na yung incline resistance, and then we will go sideways and create a pattern. But for now, wala pa tayong pattern na makita ni JFC. There's a double bottom here, but we see the price now of JFC is below all exponential moving averages. So we need to wait another movement of Jollibee. We have also BDO. BDO is still inside the pattern. We have Abacor. We'll check APL. The movement of APL. Idol DJ Mars, taga Butuan ka po ba? Sa Butuan ba inyo, ha? This is the chart of APL. APL, we need to see this incline resistant na ma-break ng APL. So, nag-create man siya ng uh, pattern, but we need to see that this incline resistant ay ma-break ni APL. So, ngayon nag-red po si APL. Tingnan natin na kung ma-break ni APL, and then he will go sideways and create a pattern. So, ganyan lang po yung ano, no? We need to see if there's a pattern. Pure gold, bumabalik na po. Bumabalik na po si pure gold sa may nag-retrace, no? Now we see pure gold now. Tingnan natin, tanggalin natin tong now when pure gold break this incline resistance, the buyer pushed the price going up to the EMA 200, this green line, and now there is a pullback for pure gold. So what we're going to do, we need to put a line here now. Okay. So this is the area we need to see for pure gold na ma-break itong horizontal resistance. So kung mag-sideway movement siya dito, then we will see. Kung ma-break ni pure gold itong horizontal resistance. Thank you very much to the viewers, Idol Lutix and to Idol Digimars Cupid, and to my wife, and to my son. Thank you for your support. So ito po yung titingnan natin yung movement ni pure gold kung mag-sideway yung movement. And if there's a breakout of this horizontal resistance, kung mag-create siya ng pattern. So nag-retrace na po yung price ni pure gold. So we need to see pullback for pure gold. Hintay muna tayo ng mga pullback ni pure gold. Kung mag-pullback dito sa may support area. So nag-hit siya kanina dito sa may area na ito, no? Horizontal support. But for me, I need to see if there is a breakout of this horizontal resistance. If there is no breakout, possible we will go retracement again. And I will create a pattern. So this is the one I told that we need to see if there is a pattern. I will see the EW is West Bank. Tingnan natin yung price ni EW, East West Banking Corporation. So still the PCI is down by 0.59% as of 12:41 in the afternoon. So malapit na po yung run off, no? So makikita natin ito ngayon kung magkano yung mga closing price. Pag pre-opening po yan ng 12:45, mag-pre-opening yan, tapos yung mga take-care dito, hindi na po yan tatakbo. Mag-stop po yan for 5 minutes. And then 12:50, this is the run-off time. So this is the time we see how much the closing price. ABC East West Bank, we can draw a incline support So ito po yung incline support ni Swiss Bank. So now, if we'll draw the incline resistance, this is the line I need to see for Swiss Bank na ma-break ni Swiss Bank. So downtrend pa rin si Swiss Bank, hindi po tayo maging aggressive sa Swiss Bank ngayon. We need to see if the Swiss Bank will climb back above all the exponential moving averages, and it will break this incline resistance, this line, and it will create a pattern. But for now, hindi po ako maging aggressive for Swiss Bank kasi downtrend yung ni Swiss Bank ngayon. Thank you, Idol Dodix and Idol DJ Mars Cupid, for the support. So this is the resistance. Kung makita natin dito, there's a resistance here. Yung price ay umabot dito, then yung seller, yung aggressive, tinulak yung price going down. So here, the same. There's a bounce here, and then the seller close it down. And yung buyers naman, nandito naman nag-aantay, and then bumili sila dito, and then when the price hitting the resistance, of course, the sell some of their shares to take the profit. So malaki ano din yan kung kabili kayo dito sa may support hanggang dito, 9% po yung gain. 9%. But for now, it is near the resistance, and nagpula po yung price ni Swiss Bank. So possible Swiss Bank will go back to this horizontal support line, this minor horizontal support area. But for me, as I said, I will not be aggressive for Swiss Bank kasi downtrend below all the exponential moving averages. So now, kung mapansin natin, yung ticker ay huminto, yung ticker dito sa taas, hindi na po gumagalaw. So, yung ticker hindi na po gumalaw kasi nag-pre-opening na po yung BSC, no? Yung stock market. So after 12:50, gagalaw ulit yan, and this is the time we know how much the closing price. So kung magkano yung closing price, final closing price of the company. Marami po tayong company dito sa stock market. Napakadami pong company din. So this is only example. Shout out to Idol Dotix and Idol DG Mars Cupid. Thank you for your support. So hindi na gumalaw yung price ni EW kasi ng pre-opening. We'll see one of my, we have a stock here, we have a share. I buy a portion of my portfolio for DDNPR. So, mayroon po akong share sa DDNPR. Kaka-open lang po ni DDNPR last 24 of March. So nag-downward movement si DDNPR. So yung price ni DDNPR ay nandito sa may previous low. Ito po yung pinaka-previous low na price ni DDMPR. So DDMP rate. So tingnan natin kung magkano yung closing price ni DDMPR. So this is my line we need to see for DDMPR, this 2.24 pesos na hindi ma-break ni DDMPR. Salamat Idol DG Mars Cupid. Maniud to nasad ko, mamahaw nasad ko pagka kumanan. Now it's 7:47 in the morning dito sa Saudi. We'll go to D2. D2 is green now. Ali, pag walang kulay po yung it means yung opening price as of starting 9:30 and the current price is just the same. Hindi po nagbago yung presyo. Yung red naman, ito yung company na yung current price ay mababa sa opening price. Yung green naman, yung current price ay mataas sa opening price. Yun po yung ibig sabihin ng mga color dito, red, green, and yung walang kulay. No? So even lang po yun. So starting the trading, 9:30, hanggang ngayon walang pagbabago yung price. It's just the same. Buntag pa dere, Idol DG Mars, 7:48 in the morning. Idol Dotex, sarap po yung yung palya, ang tanganong itlog. Kung mong i-harvest itong naging adlaw. Nindot po butangan og itlog. So hindi gumalaw yung price kasi nag-run pre-opening. So 7:50 babalik na po yung ticker, gagalaw ulit yan, but ito na yung final price, magkano yung closing price. So now it's 12:49, only 1 minute remaining, mag-run off na po yung market. So, tingnan natin yung run off kung magkano yung mga final closing price. We'll see. Already 12:50, so it's already run off, no? So tingnan natin yung final price, closing price. Gumalaw na po yung ticker. So it means this is the final closing price of DDMPR, 2.24 pesos per share. Yan na po yung Ayala Land down, ACBH is green, this is the final. So let's go to the Semirara, the one we discussed. We will see how much the closing price of Semirara. Jollibee is down, is green, red. So red po yung ni Jollibee. Natin yung price ni Semirara. Hindi lumabas yung ni Semirara. We'll see Jollibee. So Jollibee is red. So the closing price of Jollibee is red, below all the exponential moving averages. We'll see Semirara again. So final closing price na po ito kasi nag-run off na po yung market. So ito na yung final na most active. We have Ayala Land, SMPH, dito, Metro Bank, BSC, BDO, SM, BPI, DDMPR, and ICT. Jollibee and Asian, this is the most active today, March 26, 2021. So yun na po yung Pure Gold, they will say Pure Gold. So Pure Gold red. So we'll expect there is a pullback in the support area for Pure Gold. So red po yung closing price ni Pure Gold. So we'll see the next price movement of Pure Gold if we will go back to the support line. So this is the top gainers, OPMB, ATNB, and the top losers is in and ABA. PHC is down by 5.38%. Benguet Corporation, 4.89 is down. So, ganito lang po yung pag-trading, no? We need to see the support and resistance. And if there is a bullish pattern created. So, we need to see always bullish pattern. So, I hope you learned something about this discussion. And if you have some comments, just put your comments in the comments box. And before I go, shout out to DJ Mars Cupid, Idol, thank you very much. To Idol Dot Explorers, thank you. To Engineer Edwin Bilan, thank you for your support. To my son and to my wife, thank you. And sana mag-ingat po tayo palagi. And I hope mawala na po itong crisis ngayon. So salamat ulit sa inyong lahat. Idol DJ Mars Cupid and Idol Dotix. Thank you for your support. And that's all for today. God bless us all always.